guys, so welcome back. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're gonna do our room tour. So na-post ko na yung trailer ng room tour and yes, so before we started this video, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell notification beside the subscribe button and please like this video and share this with your friends to watch this room tour. So thank you guys for doing that. If you just do that, I'll give you a shout out. Please comment down below if you just did that. And in the next video, I'll give you a shout. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before you enter this to our room, we got here something, stocks, I don't know. So before we entered to our room, we got, our rug. That rug is like flowering and leaves, so I didn't clean my nails, but I'm gonna clean it later. So let's get into our door. So guys, I'm back now and let's get into the room. So guys, would you follow me inside to our room? Actually, I don't have cameraman, so I have to move my camera. So guys, once you entered our room, you will see first is the toys. That toy is not mine. It's for my baby brother. This toy has been like old. I don't know why they still stock it. Other toys are new, but I don't know why they still keep on our room, which is they have own room. So guys, the next thing you will see is this cabinet. Yung cabinet na yan, hindi din yan amin. Hindi din yan sa kuya ko. Kahit kanino hindi yan. Wait, ayaw mag-focus. So, yung cabinet na yan is yung kay Natang. Kay Natang yan, lahat yan as in. So, and behind me, we got this sabitan. Yung sabitan ni Daddy, pero nakikisabit ako. Ayan yung bag ko nandyan. Ayan, yung mga pantalon ni Daddy. Nakikita niyo si Jollibee sa likod? Well, towel yan na Jollibee. Pero, kay Nate yan. So guys, the next thing behind me is, planchahan, ventilador, tas yung descent. Mamaya ko na ipapakita yan. So, the next thing is that, kumot. That is soft, so I'm gonna change the camera angle to show me on myself. So guys, actually, behind the scene of this video, I'm like struggling to put the camera back dun sa tripod. So, yan. Ayan. So, guys, nga pala, bago tayo punta dun sa table is, andyan muna yung bags nila. Kasi yung bag ko nasa baba. So, under this table, ayan yung table, blurred ko yan. Yan, under that table is, may mga lalagyan kami ng So guys, salaglag yung mic, sorry. So, under here is, andyan yung books namin. Meron namang kinalaman dito. So, andyan yung cellphone ko, yung iPhone ko. Pero pang alarm ko lang yan kasi ayoko nga dalhin. Baka mabasag bigla. So, I'm gonna show you the table, which is, inorganize ko yan. Ayun lang siya nasa taas. So guys, first off, I'm gonna start off with is in here. So, ito yung extension namin. Diyan namin pinaplug yung chargers namin. Tapos, nandun naman yung sa TV. Tapos, ito yung sa TV ulit para dito. And we got here some speaker. Tapos, ito naman yung lalagyan namin. Hindi ko, alam nyo ba? Nilagyan ko ng electrical tape dyan kasi may ginawa ko dito sa tabi. Dinikit ko yun. Kaso nalaglag kagabi. So, nung nag-ayos ako nalaglag yun. So, here is, andito yung lalagyan sa salamin ni ate, tas yung cologne niya, yung white flower ata tawag dito eh. Wait, I have focus. Siguro white flower nga. Tas, ito yung relo. So, ito yung, parang, ano ba yan? Basta nakalimutan ko yung tawag. So, may magazine dyan. Portfolio ni ate, nandito din. Kasi nakita ko nandito sa ilalim. So, kinuha ko, tsaka ako nilagay doon. So, may drawer kami dito is, may sticker yan. Ano ata yung dati? Di ko alam. Basta sticker. So, sa taas is puro wires. Ballpens, tas aloe vera. Tas, charger ng battery. Yan. Charger ni Nate, charger ni Kurt, charger ko, charger ni ate. So, yan. Pagkatapos ng taas, ito na sa baba. Sa baba is, ito, remotes. Kasi lagi nawawala yung remote namin. So, pag ako nakakita, nilalagay ko kaagad dyan. Kasi, baka bigla mawala ulit. So, yun. So, may pouch ako dito. Ito yung sinulatan ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko sinulatan. Pero, under that pouch is, meron. Ano yan? Wait. Bababa ko lang yung mic kasi nakangalay. Our lamp, you know. So, I got this collection of knitted headband something. Panghabi ko lang ng bangsen kasi mamamagana naman yung mata ko pag nalagyan ng buhok. So, masakit sa mata. So, ito yung lamp namin. So, pipinturahan ko pa yan pero di ako sure kasi mahirap. So, we got this Kate Spade. I don't know. Kate Spade. Correct ba yung pronunciation ko? Comment nyo na lang ha. So, we got this Kate Spade pouch and I used this on exam. And we got this book. This book was from my sister, Hannah. Binigay niya sa akin yan pagkatapos sa basahan. Yan, Jack and the Beanstalk. Minsan lang kasi ako nagbabasa ng libro. Alam niyo yun. Kaya, dyan muna yung ilalagay. So, yan na nga. We got this lamp, magazine, tapos sa lumanggi. Hindi ko alam, basta ganyan yung sa mga APHS nila. So, yon. Ito lang yung dito sa table namin, sa desk namin. Tapos, we got this TV. Wait, I have focus. So, in this window, we got here some view na may construction dito. Yun yung bahay namin. Pero hindi ito. Yun, sa dulo. Tapos, we got this nice view. Ayan. So, in this view is bangganda, pero minsan nakakainit na din yung sun kiss. Like, oh my god, guys. Nakikita niyo ba yan? Yan, bang init dito. So, guys, the next is may aircon kami doon sa dulo, and yan. So, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give it a big thumbs up and turn on your bell notification to have notification to know if I had new video. I can't speak right now. Oh my god. So, guys, promise ko talaga sa inyo mag-ASMR video ako sa sem break. And sa tingin ko sasama ko kayo sa Halloween party namin sa Friday. So, yun. Guys, comment nyo kung gusto nyo, gawin ko tong background ko kasi wala pa akong background dito sa kwarto. Comment nyo lang kung anong gusto nyo i-design ko dito. Today's video. And guys, if you want to be shout out, comment your name. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification, share this to your friend, like this video, and comment down below kung tapos yun na gawin lahat ng processes na yun. So guys, thank you guys for watching.
I give you my heart.